Hey everybody, welcome back. So hopefully you just finished watching my Dollar Tree video and you're here to watch this one because I literally just left both stores like I explained. So I'm going to quickly show you guys what I just picked up at the 99-cent store. I'm sitting in front of Dollar Tree still. I literally left 99-cent store and drove straight here. It is Friday. It's the weekend, so I wanted to see what I could find real quick. And yeah, so the first thing I picked up at the 99-cent store was this reindeer car costume set. How cute is that? Look at that with the little ears. You got the nose that's gonna go on the front grill of the car, and this was only $1.99. So I had to get this. I think the kids will get a kick out of this. I know Pooh Bear is gonna love this, so I had to pick that up. What else did I grab? Then I got some more glasses. I had already had some glasses from the Dollar Tree, but I went ahead and picked this one up. I thought this was super cute. It has the little bows right here in the corner and the little berries in the ears. So I went ahead and grabbed this. In my last video for the 99-cent store, I had picked up some ornaments and I did not see these. These probably just got put out, but I had to pick up this little shoe. Look at that shoe. It's a little tiny heel with a little bling or diamond on the front, and it's just so cute, and it has a little ankle strap and everything right here. So I picked up two of these because I just had to have these. Next, I grabbed these hats. Let me tell you, I love beanies. I love hats, but I really like beanies. And so when I seen these, I was like, yes. And they had some different colors. I'll put up the pictures at the end of this video, but they had this really pretty pink one with the gold on it, but I didn't get that one, but I got this one. Look at how pretty that is. It's so bold and just so pretty. And it's a gold beanie with the little fur on the top right here, but it's gold. Look at that. I love that. And then I also picked up this one just because I really like the colors on that. Look at that. This is going to be so cute, like if I'm wearing all black or something, and that's just going to be the pop of color right there. These were $3.99, but I think these are worth it. I thought these were so cute, so I picked up both of these. Then I saw this Flora Tunes little thing. It says 2-in-1 design. So what it is a wireless speaker mode, up to 3 hours of playtime, built-in mic to answer calls, and it has 6 LED light modes. It's $4.99, and I guess it's like a flower pot that plays music and all of this other stuff. And I'm not sure. It says it has a water hole, a charging port, speaker, next song, LED lights. Like, it has all kind of stuff. This was $4.99, but I think this was definitely a good buy. This will be going to my mother in her stocking because I know she'll get a kick out of this to play her music with her little plant and everything. So I saw some new stationery, but I didn't want to get a bunch of it. I did pick up a couple things, and even though they're really, really cute, like I love these stickers, I was not really wanting to pick up a lot of pineapple stuff, especially because this is more like summer to me, but I figured I would just keep them and hold on to them. And they're by Crown Jewels, so I picked up these 2 packs like that. I thought those were adorable. I did pick up one of the notepads like this, and it says, "You're the pineapple of my eye." I wish they would have had these out in the summer. And then this one says, "Tough on the outside, sweet on the inside," and it is a journal. So I thought that was cute. And then I did pick up one of these necklaces with the lights on it, just because that's really, really fun and festive. And so I grabbed that. And then the last couple things I picked up, let me tell you guys, I saw these and my daughter wanted these. She wanted these because she collects squishies. The last time I was at the 99-cent store, they had the other squishies, the soft plushy ones, and I bought some of those. I showed you guys in a different video. But this time around, they have the Sanrio brand, and she wanted some of these, and we seen them inside a Target, but they were going for like, I think they were like $7.99 or $8 something for one of these. And so she kept on trying to get me to get them because she has tons of squishies. But I was like, I'm not spending $8 on one squishy, and they little too. I know they're Sanrio, but I was like, no. So I found some today for only $2 each at the 99-cent store, and I thought that was super cute. So this is what they look like, and that is Hello Kitty. And they show you on the back which ones, you know, there is, and there's 8 of them. I think I picked up 5 out of the 8. I didn't see the other 3. I got this little character with the little brown hat. And let's see, I got this one, My Melody. She is so cute. So that's 3. He is my favorite. My favorite. I don't even know how you say it. Karopi. I think it's Karopi. So him. And then I got the little doggy, Pochaco, I think his name is. It says it on the back, but I don't want to tear up the names. But he's a little dog, and they are squishy. Super cute. And then the last one that I picked up was this character, which I really, really like him too. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $12, whereas one of these is like $8. So I picked her up all of those, and I'm going to box those in a cute little box with a ribbon on them, and just give that as one of her presents, because I know she wanted those. So hopefully she doesn't watch this video and sees it, but hey, if she does, she just ruined one of her surprises. So that is it for the 99-cent store. It wasn't that much, but I just didn't want to do I didn't want to do these items inside of my Dollar Tree video so I just did it separate. So thank you guys all for watching. It is Friday. You guys be safe, have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.